Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nimbu Pani. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and clean drinking water. For an enhanced flavor, a small pinch of salt works wonders. If you're feeling adventurous, a few fresh mint leaves can elevate your drink to a new level of refreshment. These basic items are all you need to start. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by squeezing the juice from 2 to 3 fresh lemons into a pitcher or glass. Next, in a separate container, dissolve about 2 tablespoons of sugar in a small amount of water, stirring until it's completely clear. Finally, combine the lemon juice, sugar syrup, and the remaining water. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all flavors are well mixed. Customizing your Nimbu Pani is easy and fun. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar and lemon juice to perfectly match your personal preference. For a wonderfully chilled beverage, add plenty of ice cubes before serving. To make it visually appealing, garnish your glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your personalized, refreshing drink just the way you like it. Nimbu Pani offers more than just great taste. It's also packed with benefits. This simple drink is an excellent source of hydration and provides a good amount of vitamin C, which is essential for your health. It's a natural and energizing alternative to sugary sodas, perfect for a quick pick-me-up. For more great tips and deals, including how to make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, be sure to check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to stay refreshed and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.